Hey guys, it's me. Today I have an unboxing of the Apple Bluetooth keyboard. I ordered this for my iPad that I also pre-ordered on March 12th. That ships on April 3rd. I'll do a separate unboxing on that. I also purchased the iPad dock, but that also ships on April 3rd. So this was already out, obviously, so I got this in the mail early. So here's an unboxing. Let's get started. Paper, invoice, and here is the keyboard itself. Let me try this box out of here. So here is the box. Front here, you got a picture of the side of the keyboard, some information about requirements, a little picture of what it looks like. Here's another picture on the other side, wireless keyboard, Apple logo, Apple logo. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so as you can see, presented on top is the keyboard itself. Put that to the side for a sec. And the only thing in here is this packet of information. So it's like a user guide of some sort, Bluetooth certificate, and limited warranty information. So it does come with batteries, but I'm just going to guess that they're already inside of here. So let's take off this plastic. So there it is. It's very nice. It's not too heavy. I'm sure the batteries are in here already. Let's peel this sticker off here. Bottom, Apple logo, some information. This looks like some padding here. Battery compartment right here. You'll lock it with a coin. Double A's. I believe it's 2. The old one used to be 3, but they took out the third one. The other side, power button. Made of aluminum, plastic. It's a pretty nice keyboard. I've had the wired one for ever since it was released, and I got this for the iPad. So hopefully it's a good keyboard. I'm sure it is. I'm sure it's the same. It's just a smaller form factor. Runs off Bluetooth, and I'll use it for a while and I guess I'll do a review. So thanks for watching. Again, I'll have more unboxings in the upcoming month, so be prepared for those. Thanks for watching. See you next time.